Welcome. In this session, we are going to introduce R programming and we'll understand installation of R on Windows operating system. R is a free software environment for statistical computing and graphics. It compiles and runs on a wide variety of Unix platforms, Windows and Mac operating system. R project is available on the website rproject.org. Let's get started. Once you proceed to google.com, on Google we can simply search R project, which will take us to the website rproject.org. If you click on the website rproject.org, you will get a quick getting started of R and you can proceed to download R. R is basically maintained using comprehensive R archive network. All the mirrors are available at the link here. You can click on CRAN and you will be available with a list of repositories where R packages are available. You can select your nearest country and you can download R project from archive network. We can use Ctrl F and we can search for India, and at India R is maintained by Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. We can click on the link here and we can proceed to CRAN mirrors available. Once the CRAN mirrors are loaded, the CRAN mirrors will take you to the website from where we can download individual softwares which are required for R programming language. The comprehensive R archive network at Indian Institute of Technology, Madras allows you to download and install R for Linux, Mac operating system and Windows. We can proceed to Windows operating system and we can get the binaries available to download on the website here. You can download from 4 available subdirectories, and the directories are base directory, which allows you to download binaries for base distribution. This is what you need when you want to install R for the very first time. So we are going to search for the base binaries available. Once you have to download base binaries, you can select your Windows and individual installation and you can download the software. At here, download R 3.3.2 is the latest version for Windows available, which is 62 megabytes. You can download 32-bit and 64-bit R system from here. Once the website gets loaded, you will get a link to download your latest version R 3.3.2 from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras Comprehensive R Archive Network project. Once the download begins, as soon as the download gets completed, we are going to install R on Windows operating system. Once R is downloaded, it is available to us in the directory R Programming Training. We have got this software R 3.3.2 Windows.executable and let's run it as an administrator. Once you install the software, it will ask you to you can click run. Later it will ask you to allow user account control. Once you did that, we are going to select language English. We can proceed to next. We are going to install R 3.3.2 in program files. It's a 64-bit version. We want to install core files, 32-bit and 64 files and message translations as well. Once we do that, we are going to accept defaults. So we'll go to next. We are going to install R. We are going to have a quick desktop icon. We are going to save version number in registry. We are going to associate R files with .r data files. Click next and the installation will begin and it will be done quickly. R can be quickly installed on your system and you can quickly get started with R programming using R. Once a download gets completed, you can simply click finish and R has been installed successfully on your machine. You can go to your search window and you can quickly search for R and you can start R Studio. Here on R, you can see that we get R console, which we can quickly use. Here you can see that we get to use help and we can make use of Q to quit the program. Let's get started with the basic command of R, which is known as help. Within this help, we can simply pass in the function or we can simply execute help, wherein we are going to get the help information about the topic which we are interested in. So we can make use of help and we can simply type the command or function queue, and now we are going to run an HTTP server will be ready and we will be able to view help in a browser. So in the browser you can see that you will get help of R, and this is running locally on localhost at the port number 17714, and here you get help of the quit function. In quit you can save the arguments, you can get the status, you can get the run last, and a lot of things can be done. In case if you want to clear the screen, you can make use of Ctrl L. This will help you clear the screen on R console. Our GUI is by default available to you by R project, but basically in order to perform advanced programming and in order to get a comprehensive IDE available, generally we make use of RStudio. To install RStudio, we are going to proceed with installation in the next session. Thank you for watching.